Hi Kelsey, so this is the first question that you asked about long division method, and let's look at this. This is the first question that you asked. Okay, so for example, if I give you something like 696 divide by 3. Okay, so let's start with this example. Then and I'm asking you to do that using long division method. How do you do that? You first create this bar and you write this term, which is the dividend, 696 right here. I denote it by capital D is equal to 696. Or I should not confuse you, it's just dividend 696. This term right here is the divisor, so divisor equals 3. Whatever we get, answer goes on top of the bar, which is quotient. That's defined, and whatever is left over is remainder that we don't know. Okay, so how do we do this? We try to go with each term here. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Our objective is to always start from the left and remove this first term completely and bring the other terms down. So 3 2s are 6. So always a negative sign will show up here because we are going to subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. Don't even bother writing it, okay, because it's 0. Now bring the next term down. 9 comes down right here. Now what will you multiply 3 to get 9? 3 times 3 is 9. So you will write 9. Again, subtraction sign. 9 minus 9 is 0. Don't even bother writing it. The last term will come down here, so which is 6. 3 times what gives you 6? 3 times 2 gives me 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So that's it. Nothing else left. So my remainder is 0 and my quotient is 232. If that makes sense, this is known as the long division method. If this makes sense, then maybe we can try solving the polynomial question that we have right now in hand. Okay, so in this question we have one polynomial right here and a binomial right here with a division sign. So this one will be the dividend and this one is the divisor. What they are asking us in answer is a quotient and remainder. So right here comes the quotient Q and right here comes the remainder R. Okay, so let's try to solve it. First step should be arranging it in the descending order of the power of the polynomial. So it is already done for us. 5x squared minus 2x minus 7. So x squared, then x to the power 0, which is nothing. So we will go ahead and simply put this in our long division form. So 15x squared minus 2x minus 7, and our divisor is 5x minus 4. So now I'll ask myself, what will I multiply 5x with so I get 15x squared here? Okay, same way how I was doing for this. What will I multiply 3 so that I get 6? So answer was 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So in the same way over here I will say, what will I multiply 5x so that I get 15x squared? So 5 times what is 15? 5 times 3 is 15. X times how many is x squared? X times x. If you multiply x with x, you get x squared. So 5x into 3x will give me 15x squared. I hope that is okay. If this is okay, don't forget your 5x has a buddy. It got a partner right here, Mr. 4. Mr. Negative 4 actually. Oops, sorry. Mr. Negative 4. This negative 4 will also multiply with this term because this is one big term, right? This is like two people of the same family. So they both have to multiply. So since 5x times 3x is 15x squared, minus 4 into 3x will give you minus 3 into 4 is minus 12, and nothing multiply x is x. That would be my second step. Now this minus, because we are going to subtract it, so this minus sign shows up. 15x squared minus 15x squared is nothing, 0, null, void, so don't even bother writing it. This minus sign multiplied this minus sign will change it into positive sign. Okay, what did I do? There was a negative here, and I'm also going to divide this whole, I'm subtracting this whole term. So when I remove the bracket, when I try to remove the bracket, this is minus 15x squared and this is plus 12x. 12x minus 2x gives you 10x. Okay, so 10x is my remainder, and I will say Mr. minus 7, you come down here. So minus 7 comes down as it is. I hope this one is okay so far. Okay, now always ask yourself in the next step, is my remainder r bigger than my divisor, this guy? This remainder, is it bigger than this? Yeah, this one has 10x, this is 5x, so yeah, my remainder is bigger. So I will go ahead with the next step. The next step is, what will you multiply 5x that you get 10x? It is just a positive 2. 5x times 2 is 10x, so 10x. But don't forget our little buddy here. So what will you do? Minus 4. So this time the arrow will be, you will also multiply minus 4 with 2 and you will get minus 8. Is that right? So now you will put a minus sign here, but always remember, this is whole quantity. If this is a whole quantity, try to remove the bracket, then what will happen? A negative sign comes here and this sign becomes positive. Okay, rewind the video if you are not sure how I did that, but I'm just changing signs because there was a negative outside there. So 10 minus 10 is 0, nothing left. Don't even bother writing. 8 minus 7 is 1. So what is my remainder now? My remainder is equal to 1 and my question Q is equal to 3x plus 2. Not done yet. The big job is to write it in the correct format. So for long division method, this is the format that we use. What does this say? The format says that your answer is question Q plus remainder upon divisor. Divisor 5x minus 4, 5x minus 4, I got this one. What is my question? 3x plus 2. So in this bracket I will write 3x plus 2. And what is my remainder? 1. So your final answer is going to be 3x plus 2 plus, so this is one term, 1 upon 5x minus 4. I hope that makes a little bit sense. Okay, so this was when you are trying to do a long division method. Go back, try to revise the video if that is answering your question.